In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable the Windows 11 Mica effect in Google Chrome in just a few easy steps. This is a great way to give Chrome a more modern Windows 11 look with that soft translucent title bar effect that blends better with the rest of your desktop. If you like tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows 11 PC. Once Chrome is open, go up to the address bar and type Chrome-flags, then press enter on your keyboard. This will take you to Chrome's experimental features page, where you can turn on hidden settings before they become fully available. Now that you're on the flags page, look at the search box at the top and type Mica. This will filter the list and make it much easier to find the exact setting we need. In the results, look for the option titled Windows 11 Mica Title Bar. When you find it, click the drop-down menu next to it and change the setting from default to enabled. This is the step that activates the Mica effect in Chrome's title bar on Windows 11. After that, Chrome will usually prompt you to restart the browser so the change can take effect. In the bottom right corner, click Relaunch one more time. Chrome will close and reopen automatically, and once it launches again, the Mica effect should be enabled. After relaunching, you should notice the updated look right away, with a cleaner, more integrated Windows 11 appearance. If you don't see it immediately, just give it a moment and make sure you reopened Chrome after enabling the flag. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the Windows 11 Mica effect in Chrome. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tips and browser tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.